Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Simple Habit for Mindfulness, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Simple Habit for Mindfulness, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you have an Android device. In the search bar, type Simple Habit and press enter. Look for the app with the logo featuring a simple, serene design. Tap on the app to view more details. Check the ratings and reviews to ensure it meets your needs. Once you're ready, locate the download or install button. Tap the button to start the download process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. After installation, find the Simple Habit app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to launch the app. The first time you open the app, you may be prompted to create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to either sign up or log in. You might need to provide some basic information such as your email and a password. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the app's interface. Navigate through the different sections to familiarize yourself with the features. Look for guided meditations and mindfulness practices tailored for beginners. Select a meditation that interests you. Make sure your device volume is at an appropriate level. Find a comfortable, quiet space to practice mindfulness. Follow the prompts and guidance during your meditation session. After finishing, reflect on your experience and how you feel. Feel free to explore more meditations and resources available in the app. You can also set reminders for daily practice to build a consistent habit. Enjoy your journey toward mindfulness and relaxation with Simple Habit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.